In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a Confluence space. Archiving is a great way to clean up your workspace without deleting anything. It removes the space from everyday navigation and search results for most users, but all the pages remain preserved in the background. This helps teams stay focused on current work while keeping older content safe for future reference. Before we begin, make sure you have the right permissions, typically space admin access, to archive a space. Start by opening your browser. Any modern browser works fine. Now head to start Atlassian.com. This is the Atlassian Home Hub that gives you quick access to your products, including Confluence. If you're not already signed in, log into your account using your usual credentials. If you use more than one Atlassian site, double check that you're in the correct site where the space lives so you don't accidentally archive the wrong thing. Once you're in, look to the left panel and select the space you want to work with. This sidebar helps you jump straight into the spaces you use most. Take a moment to confirm it's the right space by checking the name and, if shown, the description or icon. It's always a good idea to let teammates know you're archiving a space, especially if they still reference it. Next, find the three dots next to the space name. This is the More Actions menu, sometimes called the meatball menu. Click it to reveal additional options for that space. From the list that appears, choose Archive Space. Confluence will show a confirmation prompt explaining that the space will be archived. This action removes it from active views but doesn't delete the content. If you're archiving a large or older space, this can help performance and reduce clutter for your team. When you're ready, click Archive again to confirm. The space will move into an archived state. Depending on your organization's settings, archived spaces might be accessible through specific filters or by admins, but they won't appear in the usual lists for most users. If you ever need to bring the space back, you can unarchive it later, provided you have the necessary permissions. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, go to startatlassian.com, log in, select the space from the left panel, click the three dots, choose Archive Space, and confirm. Archiving keeps your workspace tidy while preserving knowledge for later. Thanks for watching.